Welcome guys, welcome back to Common Accounting Terms All Business. Now we are going to see goods. What is the goods? Goods is how it is important. Goods are the item that a company manufacturing to sell to another company. Okay, in the exchange for money. The simple thing, we are this goods we are going to manufacturing. Once we are receiving from the goods, we are going to manufacturing, then we are going to sell to the another companies, correct? Another company, the customer will take the product with us. The based on money exchange, correct? They exchanging the money, they are going to transfer money from us. We are going to give the goods, they are transferring the money. When an organization buy goods, it is a purchase. When organization buys goods, it is the purchase. When it is sell goods, it is a sale. When is the sell a goods, it is a sale. It's a simple thing. Goods is purchasing, buying goods is purchasing, selling goods is sales. Okay, but the main thing, we are purchasing the goods and manufacturing the product and selling to the third party. Okay, based on the money is coming to us, money exchanging. Okay, this is called the goods. Based on the goods, it will, the company, the manufacturing, the customer, the everything will happen. Okay, for example, we are based on the purchase, goods is coming inside. Based on the goods, the production doing the manufacturing. The after manufacturing the product, we are going to sell. This is the cycling. Okay, it's anyone is not doing, company is not running. Okay guys, we will go for the another one.